Murgh Chane. Delicious recipes. Let's make delicious Murgh Chane. First we boiled the chickpeas. Add salt. Now put oil in a pan and cut the onion finely and brown it. Now we will take it out on a plate. Now we will grind all these things. Tomatoes, green chili, garlic or brown onions, grande wel. Now we will add red pepper inside it, which will increase its taste. Add oil. Cumin and dry coriander added. Add chicken. Fry lightly. Add paste in it. Cooked wel. Add salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Now add boiled chickpeas. Now added yogurt. Mix wel. Add homemade spice. Dry fenugreek will add. Add green coriander. Ready for eat. Delicious Murgh Chane, easy to make and tasty. Thanks for watching.